Dear bakers, for this recipe I will introduce you the brioche with matcha and red bean paste inside. So for this recipe we need all-purpose flour, salt, yeast. So for the yeast we take Sufficient Gold yeast. So this one is specially dedicated to high sugar dough because we have 15% of sugar in this recipe. Then you have two kinds of improver. So the all-purpose improver Le Saffre Magimix Green and a specific improver, technical improver, Magimix Softness for the softness, for improve the softness of the dough. Then in this recipe we will also add a high quantity of butter, 50% on the flour weight, and we will incorporate at the end of the mixing, just like the matcha powder. And of course, as a brioche, we have a high quantity of eggs inside for the color and for the taste of the products. During the shaping, I will also incorporate the red bean paste that I scaled previously just here. So now let's go with the recipe. The mixing is quite long. Normally with a spiral mixer you have something like 4 minutes in a low speed and 5 minutes in high speed. Then you incorporate the butter and the matcha, and you have this kind of dough here. So I will scale directly the dough. Here I will scale at 60 grams for have around 20 grams of red bean paste inside. So here small pieces. So here with the improver you can use the dough directly after the mixing. No need to have any resting time, but if you want, for the development of the aroma, you can also let the fermentation all the night in the chiller. So then you will just roll the dough, shape like this. You can do it with two hands. And you have two balls. And you can, if you have some difficulty, you can do it with just one hand. And you fold the dough inside of your hand. And then you press to give some strength to the dough and to have something really smooth at the end. Do it again. Here I fold. I press a bit the corner. I put the corner of the dough in the bottom. You see I already have something quite smooth. And here I press a little bit. Here again, when you have the habits, you can do it with two hands. And I will take the dough and put it in the box, and I will put in the chiller during 30 minutes at 3 degrees. So like this it will help the dough to relax, and it will be easier to work with just after doing the shaping. So I will keep the dough here, and I take the dough. Here this dough already have half an hour in the chiller, this one. And so now I will do the shaping of this dough. So with the red bean paste here, and I will use also a bit of flour for roll the dough. Small quantity is enough, we don't want too much. And here I press the dough with the rolling pin to have something regular, I turn a bit from 1/4 and I have something round like this. And I can incorporate the red bean paste. So remember, 60 grams of dough and 20 grams of red bean paste. And here I will press everywhere, and I will press a little bit more in the centrum, like this. And then I finish by making a small pressure for close the door and to have a nice key here, and nothing outside of the bun. Here the same. We make two more. You press a bit, you laminate, you turn from 1/4, like this. You have something which is really regular. Take the red bean paste, put inside. No need to make something too long, because after it will be difficult to shape. And you will have not enough dough in the middle, on the top here, and sometimes you can have some cracking during the proof. So we want to keep something smooth all along the fermentation. So here we have the dough just after the shaping, and now I will show you. Here you have the dough just after the proof. So here we have 2 hours and 30 minutes at 30 degrees. So here you see well the difference of volume thanks to the yeast, and also to the good quality of improver, will help you to have a good tolerance and a good volume on your products. So now I will take this dough and I put a little bit of eggs on top. It's really better for have a shiny surface, and it makes something better with a better color. So here you see when I brush it, no problem. I have a good, really good tolerance, and I can do it really fast. Be careful to put really well on all the buns, on the top, and also here on the corner. And so just after this step, you can put directly in the oven, so for 15 minutes and 180 degrees. And so at the end you have this type of buns, nice buns with a really good softness. It's really fresh, and you can keep in plastic bag for a long time as well, and it will have a good conservation. And when you cut, up, you see the red bean paste inside, and the nice color of the buns with the matcha. So this one normally we eat just like this, just raw, and you have a good taste and a good texture, something really original for your bakeries. So remember, for all your product, choose Le Saffre Instant Gold, and also the good improver with Le Saffre Magimix Green and Le Saffre Magimix Softness. Thank you for your attention, and have a good baking period. Thanks.